Hey YouTube, it's your girl KT, and I am back with another video on how to use an order on the Arby's app. And now that you've downloaded and opened the Arby's app, it will take you to the home page. So now that we're at the home page, you can see the top picks and the menu options that Arby's has to offer. Go ahead and click the sign up now button. One of the first things that I would recommend is to create an account. And to do this, fill out your first name, last name, email, and phone number. Then enter your zip code and create a password. And the final step in creating your account is if you would like to receive emails from Arby's. Now if you would like to receive emails from Arby's, go ahead and select the box. If not, leave it blank. Now that you've created an account, the first thing that you're going to see are your top picks. Now if you scroll down a little bit further, you'll see your menu items. Starting in the bottom left hand corner, there are 5 different icons: menu, deals, bag, and orders. Now to apply your deals, you'll need to select your location. You can do this by 2 ways. You can either type in your zip code or go ahead and type in your full address. Once you've selected your location, you'll be shown the different deals that are offered to you. So looking at the menu, I do like to keep in mind the deals that they do offer. So that way, when I am buying something, I can apply that deal and get some money back on my order. So instead of initially spending, let's say $10, now I'm only spending $8 or $7. And if you're like me and like to save some money, that's the best way to go about it. So just looking at the menu here, they do have a variety of items. You got a wrap, chicken tenders, fries. They also have a roast beef sandwich and a chicken sandwich. And I am feeling a little basic, so I think I'm gonna go with the chicken nugget meal, the 9-piece at that. Now the fun part. This is where you can really play around with your order, whether you want a medium or large. Okay, now that you've selected your size, go ahead and select the side that you want and your drink. Okay, but let's get real. Look at this drink selection. Come on, man. Look at the variety of drinks you get to choose from. I mean, this is great. Most fast food places don't have this many options. I can tell you that for a fact. So if you had to ask me one reason why I like the Arby's app so much, it would be because of this one single thing. So after looking at all my options, I'm gonna try the blueberry lemonade. I mean, like, come on now. Just imagine this. You pull up to the window and be like, hey, I want a blueberry lemonade. I mean, how many fast food places can you go and actually say that? So now that you've completed your order, hit add to bag. Now, if there's anything else that you want to add to your bag, go ahead and repeat the same process. So now that you've completed your order, go ahead and go back to the top. Now that you're at the top of the page, review your total. And if you want to add any coupons, you can too. Once you've finished, hit checkout now. To fill out your order, go ahead and fill out your payment method. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.